question. That question is from the chapter quadratic equation. That question I found as a good question. Okay, so that's why I thought to discuss in front of you all. Right. The question was that, let me zoom a little. Okay, is it visible to you? I think so. Yes. The question is that 1 by a plus b plus x, right? We need to solve it, is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. So we need to solve it. And the condition given is that x not equal to 0 or minus times a plus b, so that it will be cancelled out, right? It's given that x not equal to 0 and x not equal to minus times a plus b, right? So this is the question in front of us. Okay, so to solve it, simply simplify. Okay, to solve it, simply simplify. How? I am showing you. This we need to solve, and if you take the LHS, it will be as it is 1 by a plus b plus x, and into the RHS you can take LCM of the a, b and x, right? So it will become a b x, right? And a times a into bx will become abx. So bx into 1 will become bx, and here if b is there, ax will be coming into the numerator. Okay, and instead of x, numerator of x, 1 x times ab will become abx. So here it will be ab, right? So from this we can do cross multiplication, right? Like this. So here 1 into abx is equal to a plus b plus x multiplied with bx plus ax plus ab, bx plus ax plus ab, right? Now into the next step, it will be abx, and if you multiply with a from a with this one, it will become abx plus a square x plus a square b, isn't it? Plus a square b. And when from b you multiplied bx plus ax plus ab, it will become b square x plus abx plus a into b square, right? And when you multiply it from x with the entire bracket, it will become bx square plus ax square plus abx, right? Now take the like terms together. So here first consider the terms with x square. Here you can see. So that's why just write abx into the LHS, and into the RHS ax square plus bx square can be written as a plus b times x square, isn't it? Now take the terms with x. This one, this abx, then abx, then abx. So 3 times abx, like terms together, 3 times abx will be there. After that, another terms with x, a square x and b square x. So it will be a square x plus b square x. This and this will be covered, and here a square b plus ab square. So just write a square b plus ab square. Now count the number of terms: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and abx together is 7. Now here just push abx into the RHS. Then this abx will be subtracted from 3 abx, and we are left with writing entire RHS as LHS. A plus b times x square plus 2abx. This will be, I hope you understand this step, right? Plus a square x plus b square x plus a square b plus ab square, right? ab square. Now from here, and all this is equal to 0, right? Because we have shifted this entire term from RHS to LHS. So this is the equation in front of us. Okay, now from this step, what we will do, we will again write and see if something common is there. So it will be a plus b times x square, right? Plus you can see a square x, b square x plus 2ab, and all are having x with, you can see here, x, right? So we can write as a plus b whole square into x, because when you are expanding a plus b whole square, it will become a square plus b square plus 2ab, and you can see x is common in all three terms, right? So x is taken as common over here. Now plus in this a square b and ab square, you can take ab as common, right? And we are left with a plus b, isn't it? And all this is equal to 0. Let me yeah, all this is equal to 0. Now you can see a plus b here, a plus b here, because 2 times, and here also a plus b can be cancelled out, right? This will be cancelled out, a plus b, 1 a plus b, and here a plus b, and we are left with x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Hello Alone, how are you? Equal to 0. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Just be connected as a community. So this is the equation in front of us, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, okay? And this can be solved very easily. You know how? Because you can see, if you split the middle term and see the product of the first and last, it will be a into b into x square, and this will be same as when you add it, ax and bx. It can be ax and bx which are splitted. So this can be written as, very simply, as x square plus ax is already splitted plus bax plus ab equal to 0. And you can see the benefit. You can take the pair of x square plus ax, and taking x as common, you are left with x plus a. And from this last two terms, when b is taken as common, you are having x plus a, right? And from here you can see x plus a can be taken as common. This x plus a can be taken as common. this x plus a, right? So my dear friend, thank you so much, Elon. So this will show you x plus a taking as common, right? And we are left with x plus b, and all this is equal to 0, right? And when we equate x plus a with 0, we get the value of x as minus a, right? And when we equate x plus b equal to 0, x plus b equal to 0, we get the value of x equal to minus b. So these are the two values of x. One is minus a, one is minus b. Minus a and minus b. And dear friend, when you are going to solve this equation, 1 by a plus b plus x, let me squeeze a little, I think, so that the entire screen will be visible to you. Yes, this was the question in front of us. 1 by a plus b plus x equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. We simply did the calculations, arrange the like terms together, and we can see a plus b whole square is also coming over there. And after that, we have just splitted the middle term, which is already arranged into the same format, and we get the value of x equal to minus a and x equal to minus b. This is your answer, my dear friend. This is minus a and minus b. This is your answer, right? The value of x. This is your answer. So my dear friend, you can see it was given that x should not be equal to 0. So x is not coming as equal to 0. And x should not be equal to minus times a plus b. So it is not coming as minus times a plus b. So this criteria is also satisfied and this criteria is also satisfied. So we can say that yes, x equal to minus a and x equal to minus b are the two values of the given quadratic equation. Which quadratic equation, my dear friends? This quadratic equation, 1 by a plus b plus x is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x, right? So in this way we have solved this question, my dear friends, and the two values of x, and that is equal to minus a, and another value is equal to minus b, right? As you can see over here, right? So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Alone. Thank you, thank you. Be connected. Bye bye. See you into the next session. Okay. Bye.